Hey everyone, welcome to this video tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how to create text-to-speech videos in CapCut. So first of all, open up your CapCut software, or you can simply go to your browser and write CapCut and hit enter. After that, you will see this first website. Simply click on it, and then you can simply download the software, or you can try the online CapCut tool. Simply click on download to download the software, or you can try CapCut Online. So let's click on CapCut Online first, and I will later on give you a head up on CapCut software, which is this one. It is already opened on my computer, and now let's go back to this browser. Here you will have to log into your account to use this, but this time I will not log in. I will just show you that how it works. So you will not have to actually log into the CapCut platform. Let's hit OK. Let's cross this. So here it is telling us that we have to upload few files to start our editing. Let's get this loaded first, and then here you can see on the left side of our browser is media, then templates, elements, audio, text, captions, transcript, and many more. Effects, transitions, filters, brand kits, and plugins. Simply click on OK when it is on the tutorial mode. Now let's go to media and click on upload. Then select the file to upload onto this. Now I'm going to select this video. Simply just select that and it will be uploaded quickly. It depends on your internet connection. Now here it is uploading. After it's uploaded, I will simply drag it and drop it over here. So this is where it says drag and drop media here. I can also still drag this and drop it over here to add the media file on this lane. Simply drag and drop and it will be automatically added. Now here you can see that I have added this clip over here, and after that I can add text to the video. Let's zoom in first. Now let's click on text. Here you can see that there is a lot of trending templates of text. You can select any of them and use them in your video. Let's play this. Here you can see that it doesn't have any audio, so we will add our audio through CapCut software, which is this one, and we will add text to speech on this PowerPoint slide so that it looks beautiful. Now let's close this CapCut Online, leave, and then we will be using ChatGPT for our text. Let's minimize this, and here is our CapCut software. Now here simply on the top right you will see this button which is setting. Click on it. Now simply click on it and select settings. After that, this setting will pop up, and here you have to save this location where you want to save your project files and the downloads that you're going to download from CapCut inside, where it will be stored. You will have to choose it manually, and then you can save the presets here. Let's go to edit and make sure that you have selected or checked this, and also remember to use 60 fps on every videos, otherwise it might look laggy. Now let's go to the performance. So this is the important tab in the setting. Here you can see that this says the encode and decode, so make sure that these two are checked. Now this is interface rendering. Now the whole interface is this, and make sure that this is clicked, because if it's not, you might see some lag issues onto your computer. Now also make sure that you have turned on proxy setting, because it will simply by turning it on, it will simply make the editing look faster and smoother. Now here is one more setting that you have to turn on, is that auto render. Automatically render the selected parts of your video to make the preview smoother. Simply turn it on and save. After that, we will click on create project. Now after that, wait for a few seconds and it will open up. Here you can see that our software has opened. Now this is the interface of CapCut. Now on the top left, here you can see that it is on import. So import works as to import any videos, audios and images. So we will be importing our video. Let's click on it one time, and here you can see that there is a simply select the video that you want to import and click on open. After that, your video will be imported here, and you will have to simply click on this plus button or simply drag and drop this clip on this lane. Now your video is pasted to this lane. Now you can edit this file. Simply click on this and you will be able to edit this video file with basic settings. So on the basic setting here on the video tab, here is a scaling option so that you can scale your video. Onto the speed, let's see the background remover. You can also remove the background from your video. This is the mask and retouch. We will talk about these three later on. Now let's go to speed. This is to adjust the speed and the minimum speed of the video. And this is the animation tab where you can input and output the animation from your video. Let's input this fade in effect. So this is how it will look like. Let's double click and apply. And now let's go to out and select fade out. That's how it is going to fade out. Now let's go to adjustment. On adjustment, you can simply change the color ratios and color itself of the video. Now let's go back to the video and let's scroll down a little bit and see that there is stabilize. So here you can stabilize your videos. Whether it is shaky, then you can simply turn it on and it will be a little bit of unshaky. Now you can also remove flickers. If your video has too much flickery dots, then you can simply remove that. You can also remove the noises of the images. For example, let's click on this and let's choose weak. And now you can also use motion blur. Now let's head to the first, and here we will add our text. Now this is where it all begins. So to begin with the text to speech feature, we will simply have to click on text on the top right, the top left. Here you will find this text button. Simply click on it, and you can also choose different types of text, which is you will find this text here. let's use the default text. Simply click on it and drag to drop it. And here is your text is pasted. Now let's increase the size of it. Let's increase this. And now we are going to increase the whole level and we are going to input our text now. Now, before I input any text, I will simply go to the browser. Let's go to the browser and here you can see that I have already generated a text from CapCut for the CapCut in ChatGPT. So to do that, simply go to a new browser, open up your browser, and here you will have to search for ChatGPT. Open up the browser and open this website. After that, on the search bar here, on the message to ChatGPT, click on that and write create a speech or script for CapCut for around 5 minutes. Now, after writing this, I will simply tap on enter. Now, my speech will be generated. So, ChatGPT is telling me that here's a concise 5-minute script about CapCut. Now, here is the text. This is the introduction of 30 seconds. Here, I will simply select these sentences and right click copy, and then I will go back to my CapCut. Here, I will simply paste this text on the text bar and right click and paste it. After pasting it, you will get, let's play the video first. And here you can see that it is showing now. So we will have to adjust this size because it is way too much bigger. Now we will simply drag and put it over here. So only the text will be invisible, but our text-to-speech sound will be visible and can be heard. So let's click on text-to-speech, and now, which we have copied and pasted to our text bar, we are simply going to change and convert it to voice. Now let's click on charming male voice and generate speech. Here I have pasted the text. Now simply let's add fade in effect. Let's zoom in and also let's add a fade out effect. Now let's play the video.
Everyone, welcome back to.
Okay, as you can see that it is working perfectly fine. Now let's add our next text to speech. Let's go to the browser again, and here you will see the next text. Simply copy this and go to CapCut and select the default text again and then paste it. Now let's select the first text. Let's zoom out and crop it. Now let's select the first text. Let's increase the size. And now here, let's move this pointer over here so that we can change this text box. Now let's select this default text and rewrite what we have copied earlier. Simply paste that and drag to make it invisible. And now let's go to text to speech and select charming male and generate
CapCut is developed
speech.
by.
Now, as you can see, it is completely generated a full text. Okay. Also make sure that it is not overlapping onto another. Otherwise, it will sound awful. Okay, now let's check it out.
Videos. CapCut is developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, so you know it's designed with social media in mind.
Okay, now as you can see that it is working perfectly fine. For the conclusion, let's add one more text. Let's go to our browser and scroll down. Here you will see the conclusion text. Simply copy that, minimize this. Let's put another text box and let's put it over here. And now let's zoom in. Let's move this pointer over here to the text and select the text and paste. Now go to text to speech and select charming male or whatever the voice you
And
like.
that's a quick overview of
And select
CapCut.
generate speech. After that, you can see that another text to speech has been generated. And let's select the second one. Go to speed. Let's increase its speed. Let's increase the speed, also keep the pitch. Let's do the same thing with the first one. Select the first audio and select 1.5 and keep the pitch. Now let's move the first audio box to the left and scroll to the right and merge them together. Now let's do a checkout.
Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into CapCut.
Let's select that.
Your channel name. Today, we're diving into CapCut, a powerful and free video editing app that's perfect for
Okay, it is way too much faster than usual. Let's make it 1.2. And now see.
We're diving into CapCut, a powerful and free video editing app.
Let's make it 1.1.
CapCut, a powerful and free video editing app that's perfect for creating stunning videos right from your mobile. Free video editing app that's
Okay. Let's do the same thing with other clips. Scroll down and slide to the right. Okay, now we will have to adjust the sound again. Let's crop this. Let's decrease its size like this. And now let's hear it.
a key for green screen effects. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into CapCut, a
Okay, let's delete that. Let's increase the size of this.
options like keyframe animations and chroma key for green screen effects.
Okay, perfect. Now let's zoom out and let's go to the head up and play
Hey
again.
everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into CapCut, a powerful.
Now select ratio and select for 16:9. And if you want to add any types of transition, you can also do that. Simply go to transition and select any of the transition. After doing that, simply drag and drop it to your clip and it will add the transition. For example, let's try this pull in. Now let's put it over here. Okay, to add our transitions. Now click on the video, right click and search for split. select those split scenes. Wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see this split button. Simply click on this and your clip will be splitted. After that, go to this transition, select any of the transition and drag to add the transition. Now here it is added. You can make multiple splits and add these types of transitions. Let's play.
Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into CapCut, a powerful...
Okay, it is working fine. Now we will export our video. To export the video, you will simply have to go to the top right where it says export. Click on that. And then on this tab, rename the file if you want to. Then select its resolution and change its custom bitrate if you like. I have changed it to custom because I don't want my file size to be high enough. Now choose its bitrate format and then select its recording format, then the video's extension, frame rate, and scroll down and hit export. After that, it will take few seconds to export the video. And that is how you can simply create text-to-speech videos in CapCut. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks again.